Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a scrolling effect to your WooCommerce products. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to install some plugins. So scroll down until you can see in here the option for plugins and click on this Add New Plugin. So there's two plugins that you need to install. The first one is Elementor and the second one is Elementor. So for this one, you can try to search in here for Elementor. Once you have searched for that, you can see some search results. So what you can do is you can just head over and make sure to install this. So on my case, I've already installed it, so make sure also that it's active. Next thing we need to do is we need to search in here for Elementor. Once you have searched for that, you can see in here the some search results as well that you can use. So we need to use this ShopLentor right here. It's totally free, so click on that. Then install it as usual and make this as well active. So I already click on that and it will install this plugin for me. So as you can see, it's been installed. So you can click on this manage plugin right here in order to see its actual installation and if it's active. So it will direct you to this one. So just look for it from in here, search in here for the Elementor, and then you should be able to see it from in here. And make sure also that this one is actually active. In order to make sure it's active, just click on this active option right here. And as you can see, the Elementor will be activated on this one. If the Elementor is on this list, that means it's active. And if you see this activate option, that means that it's also active. Once you're done with that, you can head over right here to your left sidebar again and look for the option for pages. So here's pages right here. Click on all pages in order to see all pages that we have. And then from in here, we have in here about page, checkout, and all of these things right here. So for example, for this one, I want to actually edit some things. Like for example, I'll edit this summer category right here. Click on this edit with Elementor, and then it will proceed you to the Elementor site wherein you should be able to edit it out. So here I am to the Elementor. Just click on the search right here and search in here for product. Now in here, you can see this WL Universal Product Layout. So just drag it right here. And once it's been dragged, as you can see, this is what it will look like. So let me just minimize this navigator right here. And you can see that this is my product. And it actually displays 3 products, 1, 2, 3. So let's try to display it higher than 3. We can display it at 6. And you can also enable the same height box. So in here, you can see this layout. Make sure that it's selected to the slider, and you should be able to see this. So in here, as you can see, we don't have yet the slider option. So you can click on this query settings right here. Make sure that the product limit is around 50 or anything that is higher than 3. And then as you can see, you can filter it by all your products and everything. You can also exclude out of stock products, hidden items, and custom order. And then from in here, you can see this button that we have right here. When you click on that, we should be able to scroll down to all the products that we have to our actual store. What you can do next is you just need to head over and then update this progress that you have made, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.